Taking my blood pressure again. My blood pressure's gone up a bit recently because I had to change from one medication to another because the old medication was making me cough. I spent 3 months coughing, wondering what it was. And eventually I told my doctor. He said, "Oh, we'll stop one of your medications because I'm taking 2 different blood pressure medications." And he changed it a few weeks ago, and so the coughing has improved. It's practically gone away. But also my blood pressure has gone up, unfortunately. Right, I'll sit back. This. That. Yeah. Oh, this is no good. I wish I'd thought of this before. Oh yeah. I think I'll have to put it back down there. I can't see anything. Let's see what it is. That's still quite high. Anyway, not as high as before, but it's higher than recently. I think the doctor will have to put up my dose of my new medication.